Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to see how your marriage life is going to be, what messages and guidance we can get from the keepers of the light for your marriage. This can be a long-term commitment if you are not interested in marrying someone, so take as it resonates. And thank you so much for all your subscriptions. Thank you so much for all your support. I am very grateful for every single person who has subscribed, and thank you so much. And I hope you enjoy these readings, and do let me know if you have any reading requests, and I'll start with pile 1. Welcome pile 1. In today's video we are going to have a glimpse in your married life. Let's see what your marriage life is going to be like. Okay, let's see. Pile 1. Right. The Miriam, sacred vision. Choose to forgive in order to heal. See the light in all. Remember that love has no boundaries. Okay. Choose to forgive. Okay. And the next card is the divine director in the intervention and purpose. Okay. Divine intervention is occurring. Know that you are being guided. Happiness is your purpose. So a happy life, a happiness is your purpose. Your marriage purpose is happiness. Let's see. The Holy Spirit, expect miracles. Remember that only love is real. Miracles will occur naturally. Spirit has your back. And divine alchemy, move beyond current challenges. Focus on what you desire. Alchemy, miracles, purpose, intention, intervention, and vision. These cards are talking about manifestation. These all cards are talking about creating your own reality. They are talking about letting go of what does not serve you, forgiving that, because here it is said, choose to forgive. Forgiving that which did not help you heal, or you have to heal. And once you heal, then there is no boundaries for you. The love has no boundaries. There is no boundaries. You can manifest anything you want. Divine intervention is occurring. Divine intervention, divine is helping you manifest this. You are becoming a powerful manifester. And Holy Spirit and Holy Amethyst, now this looks like a ace of cup, the bird flying in the cup. And the Holy Spirit, holy miracles is bringing in this love for you, because you have, remember that only love is real. Miracles will occur naturally. Spirit has your back. Yes, divine intervention. Yes, divine has your back. Spirit has your back. Expect miracles. You might have gone through some breakups, some heartbreak, and you are called to forgive. You are called to heal. And when you do that, the divine intervention is going to help you create a miraculous life. And your purpose is to be happy. Everybody's purpose is to be happy. It should be happy. It is not only about earning a certain amount of money, or reaching a certain position in life. Ultimately, that you should be happy, you should be healthy, and that is what the divine wants you to remember. And the divine is helping you reach that goal. And you are called in to expect miracles. So this is a complete manifestation pile, what I can see. Manifestation cards, what these keepers of lights are telling me is that you have a vision. You want a life, a particular life, a perfect married life, and that you are manifesting. This vision is sacred for you. You are very much clear about this vision. If you are not, then I would suggest that sit down and write exactly how your married life should be. Write it out, write everything. Don't think that it is not possible. Don't think that I am not good enough. Don't think that I'm just dreaming, this will never happen. No, remove all these negative thoughts. Remove them, because no, only focus on what you desire. It is clearly written in this card. Holy Amethyst, divine alchemy, move beyond current challenges. Whatever your mind boundaries are, whatever your own boundaries are, those are your current challenges. Even if you went through heartbreak, even if you went through cheating and dishonesty and disloyalty and disappointments, whatever you went through is were your past challenges or are your current challenges. They are not going to be in future. Don't pull it in the future. What you can do is you can forgive, you can forget, you can let go. You're not forgiving for the sake of other people. You're not forgiving for the sake of your ex. You're forgiving because you want to move beyond this. You want to move into the sacred divine vision which you have created for yourself. Now this vision has to be clear in your mind. That is how law of attraction works. Have a very clear picture in your mind what exactly you want to bring in, and the divine will intervene and purposefully bring in that uh, life which you are looking for. The divine director is here with you. Now he's going to direct your life the way you want it, the way you want to live it. Now this can be whatever you want. The number of children you want, the place you want to stay, the kind of house you want, the location, the city, the country, the kind of partner you want. Do that. Create a list. Literally create a list that this is exactly what you want in your marriage. These are the points which are important for you. And when you note down these lists, when you focus on them, when you create a vision in your mind, and you let the divine do the work. Now you have to create the vision and release it. You don't have to create thoughts like, will this happen, is this real, is this realistic, shall I expect this? Yes, you have to expect miracles. You literally got the card of expect miracles. Remember that only love is real. Miracles will occur naturally. Spirit has your back. Love is real. Whatever you want to create should be from a place of love, should be from a place where you will give that person as much as you are receiving from that person. The love should be two ways. It cannot be only one sided. You cannot just pray for or wish for a devoted partner and not devote yourself to that partner as well. It has to be a two-way street. You need to honor that commitment, and the divine and the Holy Spirit, the holy amethyst, is bringing in that energy in your life, is creating this reality, is manifesting this reality. If you do not believe in law of attraction, so you don't know about it, there is a ton of material on law of attraction online. Go through it, read through it, see videos, watch videos, and try to implement as much as possible. The first step you can do is be clear what exactly you want and create a vision board. You can either create a vision board, or you can or you can sit in a meditative state, sit and try to create an image of how your married life will be, and this is going to come true. This is going to come in your reality. If you have an amethyst, use the amethyst gem with you when you meditate. What you can do is, when you create your vision board, keep an amethyst picture on that vision board with other images as well. Keep an amethyst picture, because the amethyst is going to help you create this reality. Amethyst is on your side. See, look at this purple color. There is so much purple color. Amethyst is on your side, and it is going to help you become the divine alchemist. Alchemists create anything they want from the materials they have. So you have to create the life you want from whatever your current situation is, whatever your current challenges are. You need to overcome them by not giving them a lot of energy. If you are uh, staying in a sad state because of your past breakup, you have to come out of it, and you have to create a very positive, very powerful image which will bring in the miraculous married life you are looking for. Now let's see what tarot has to say for you. Ace of cup, ace of cup. Look at this image. So same. Ace of cup and Holy Spirit. It is so same. It is such a nice synchronicity. Synchronicity can also be a way where the angels, these keepers of light, the divine is trying to hint you that what is exactly is coming up. You have the power to create this miraculous marriage, this miraculous life, this beautiful married life, this beautiful life you want. You have the power to create it, and you completely use that power and be the director of your own life. Imagine that your life is a movie and you are watching a beautiful romantic movie, a family oriented movie, a marriage movie. Vision in that way that you are watching a movie where you are the star and you have the perfect spouse you want. Now let's see, Knight of Cups, a romantic person, Ace of Cups, right? Ten of Cups. Oh my God, this is what you want. Happiness, your purpose. Happiness is your purpose. This is ultimate happiness, ultimate marital bliss. This is exactly what you are working for, what you want. This is your goal. This is what you want to create. This is the vision you have in your mind or you want. Page of Cups and Knight of Swords, all cup cards. This is all about your emotions. This is all about your heart. This is a complete emotional pile. It is all about your feelings, because feelings is how you manifest. It is not only about affirmation, it is not about only about writing down or creating vision board. You should have strong feelings towards it, then it will come. And this is what your pile is telling me. Your pile is all about feelings, it's all about heart, it's all about emotions. So new love is there. It is definitely about a new love. And you need to cut out all the past, everything which, whatever didn't serve you, all your past experience. Start your life like a blank slate. Completely remove whatever does not serve you, whatever is not as um, whatever is not fitting in your future plan, in your new vision of your married life. Choose to forgive that person, whoever did wrong with you. Forgive them and move beyond. You don't have to keep that pain, keep that betrayal in your heart, in your emotions, because your emotion needs to be overfilled with this love for the new person who's coming in. You might have already started falling in love with this person before this person even came in 3D in your life, because you have the vision so clear in your mind. The vision is absolutely clear. You know this person completely in 5D. You might have even seen this person in your dreams. Now, um, what else? What more messages are we getting for pile 1? Such a beautiful, so much love. So Knight of Swords is about mental clarity. So you need to be very clear, extremely clear about what exactly you're bringing in, what exactly you're manifesting, what exactly you want. Be very clear. That is the first step of manifestation, clarity. You have to be very clear what you want and what you don't want. And that's why I told you to list down everything you are interested in, list down everything you want to manifest, list down everything you want in your future married life, your married life, or your partnership, or whatever you're looking for. List it down. Even your career, list it down, that where you want to see yourself down the line, 5 years, 10 years, 3 years. List it down, what exactly you want, how many kids you want, what kind of house you want. Write down everything. You don't have to be very you don't have to give any explanations that how it's going to happen and from where it is going to come. List down what you want. Let the divine intervene and help you out in it, but you need to be clear. Okay, there are some people, I have heard this and read this somewhere, that people keep on praying for that one person was there who was praying to win a lottery. He was always saying, God, please help me win a lottery. God, please help me win a lottery. And one day, God appeared in his dream and said, my child, I will definitely help you win a lottery, but at least buy a ticket. That is how my manifestation works. You need to be very clear. Whatever you want, be very clear. One day you will feel that I want this kind of life. The other day something new happens and you will feel that no, I want this kind of life. No, write it down, create the vision board. If you don't want to create the whole vision board and paste it on your wall, if you don't have that kind of environment where you can paste this kind of feelings and this kind of pictures on your wall, then you can have it online, have it as a uh, bag, have it as your what is it called, your Pinterest page, or your on your desktop as a desktop background, or your screensaver on your phone. Have it on your electronics where no one else will have access to, but you can watch it again and again. And you can create the sacred vision in your mind and create this reality. Clarity is very important. Intellectual, this, you have to develop your intellectual power, you have to learn, you have to study to create this. Learn law of attraction and create this miracle in your life. It is all about creating your own life. You have this charge, you got this option to create. You got the pen in your hand to write your own story, and you should use it in the best possible way. Now, page of love is all about divine love. It is blissful, it is a start of a blissful relationship, like the ace of cup. It is a new relationship, new compassion. It is filled with creativity. You might be a creative person, or the person who you're calling in, the person you're attracting, might be a very creative person. And this is from the divine, this is coming from the divine intervention. This is literally coming from the divine. So it is going to be a pure, beautiful relationship. And this is a charming person. This is a creative, romantic, charming, imaginative, beautiful, and attractive person. Knight of Cups is the charmer of the deck. He is the most charming person, attractive person, romantic, very romantic. So this person will have a lot of romantic gestures towards you. You may go on romantic dates and all, and it is going to be a very beautiful life. And it is going to be a married life which will bring in children, which will bring in prosperity, which will bring in happiness, and which is supported by divine love, which has beautiful true love in it. It is a complete matrimonial bliss. It's a blissful relationship. It is harmony, it's alignment. I can see Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I can see Gemini, because these twins always remind me of Gemini. And there is we have ace of king of swords as well. So Gemini sword, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. And do have amethyst with you if you have. And if you are looking to buy a crystal, buy a gemstone, go for amethyst, because that will definitely help you create this divine love you are looking for. Now let's see if we can get any more information from any alphabets and any okay. So I'll take all. Why keep them away? See if you can make any name. See, this is still blocked because your vision is not clear. If when you clear your vision, it will come in your reality. One more, same way. You have to clear your vision to pull this in your reality. T is twice. Doctor. This person might be a doctor, or you may be a doctor. Or DR are the initials, or T. Even this can even be about a place. R is or a location, a job, online profile, or anything which you can make out of or create. E. If you don't know this person already, write down what kind of person you're looking for, what exactly you're looking for, how that person should be. More than looks, concentrate on their personality, on how they are, how they behave, what they do. Because looks are not that important. The way they treat you, the way they stay with you, that is important. Now I'm going to pull in some charms, and then we are going to see some stickers to see if we can get some more help. Okay, we have Archangel Michael over here. No, this is a gold leaf, not the gold feather, sorry. But maybe Archangel Michael is with you. And this is about prosperity. So this is a prosperous, because this is the biggest gold leaf I have. And this is a beautiful design, a divine design. It is beautiful. It is like the wheel of fortune. A wheel of fortune is going to turn in your favor. Your complete life is going to turn in the right direction, in the upwards direction, when this love comes in. And this person might live near a sea, and slow and steady wins the race. Or you may live near the city, or your new house might be near a sea, near an ocean. And sunflower, it is all about happiness. Lotus, it's about staying above the mud, staying above the darkness, floating above the darkness, floating above mud, purity. And this is feeding your soul. And this is silver spoon also represents wealth. So this person might be from a wealthy background where who you are marrying, or you might be from a wealthy background. So you have these two similar flowers, you may, or and you have this twins as well. So this is either twin flame, or this is this you're going to have twins with this person, because we can see two children over here. Or this is somebody just like you, they have the same passions, the same, they like the same kind of food, and someone just like you. And this is about create, like this is about small like step by step creating your wealth, creating a new life. And this is again a design, a four design. So maybe number 4 is important for you. And what is this? This is a new one. I've not seen this one earlier. Do let me know if you understand what this is. Is it a compass? Is it about your direction? It might be a compass. It might be about direction, like where you want to go, what you want to do. Let's see, more we can see by from the stickers. If we have some more information, can we find out what exactly we can do. You have the complete freedom to create whatever reality you want, a complete blank scale. When you sit down to create a vision board, even online, you understand that how powerful law of attraction is, because then you can create anything. And don't let doubt come in your mind, that will this happen, sure, is this realistic. No, you don't have to be realistic. No, it is make it as powerful, as beautiful, as amazing as possible. Shoot for the stars. Even if you reach halfway, you are happy. You will be happy. And happiness is your purpose. Okay. This is about being smart. This is, sorry. Fox is all about, being smart, being creative, and they are about. I'm so sorry. What am I doing? Everything is moving, everything is shaking. Good God. Your pile got me excited. Your pile made me feel like, okay, you can create anything, and it's like so exciting, so encouraging. Okay, what is Fox about? Fox is about being clever. It's about being clear. It is about knowing, being the diplomat. So you don't have to tell everybody about your dreams, about your desires. This is all about yourself. Law of attraction is a complete personal thing. You need to be very aware about what you want, be very smart about it, and that is how you're going to pull in this person. Be very smart, be very witty about it, witful. Abundance, piggy bank, or pig is about abundance, pig is about prosperity. Or this person might be, or you may be a pig in as per Chinese astrology. Do check it out, you will find out. We have Japan. Japan might be of importance for you. You or your partner may be from Japan, or you may visit Japan with your partner, or it might be important in some or the other way. A romantic ice cream date, a beautiful sweet romantic date. You will have a very nice sweet playful romantic time with this new person who's coming in. This person or you may be fond of coffee, or you may meet on a coffee date, and brew can do it. It is telling you that you can do it. Be happy. Happiness is your purpose. Be happy. Create this reality with a mind full of being happy. Remove whatever went wrong, just let it go. Beach, we already said that this person might be staying near a beach, or a ocean, like a beach city, ocean city, near that. So you may be staying, or you may live near a sea. When you get married, your new house may be near a sea, or maybe you want a place, you will desire for a place near a city, or you may go on beach vacations with this person. A lot of beach holidays, a lot of vacations with this person. August might be important, or number 8. You may also be seeing, watching 888 again and again, because that is one number which has come up. Aquarius. Aquarius might be important for you, and or you or your person might be Aquarius. Number 5 or May might be important for you. August, May, you may meet this person in August or May, or you may get married in the month of August or May. Sacral, I am creator. Yes, again you got the manifestation symbol. I am creator. Yes, you are the creator. You are manifesting. You are a very powerful creator. Maybe you have already studied everything which you need to study about law of attraction. You are doing it very well. India might be important. You or your person might be from India, or you may visit India with your person. We also have Malaysia, so the same with Malaysia. We had Japan as well, so we are getting a lot of Asia over here. So one of you is quite there are high chances that one of you is Asian, one of you belongs from Asia. Okay, a happy family. Look at this. This is exactly what you want. This is exactly what 10 of cups is. A happy family, a family with kids, a family with laughter, a family with happiness, a family which is completely satisfied. Happiness is your purpose, which is clearly written in here. So you are definitely manifesting this happy person, and you are going to create a happy life with this person. And okay, we have this brown hair. So this person or you may have brown hair, and light skin, and you're brilliant. Yes, you are brilliant. We got that. Sorry, Knight of Swords. You are brilliant. Brilliant, and that is there definitely. November is one more month which might be important. Okay, this is about rising above. This is about going on romantic dates. This is about flying above. This is about for in your case, I will say this is also about having your visions high, keeping your visions high, trying to manifest miracles in your life. Just think beyond possibilities, think about miracles, and it will happen. Night United Kingdom, sorry, UK, uh, you or your person might be from UK, and or you may travel to UK. Same with France. We got Japan, we got India, we got Malaysia, UK, France, many countries. Be patient. Yes, patience is also important when you manifest, and it is be patient. It's about there's a honeybee over here. Honeybee is about working hard. It's about creative, it is about the divine design, the divine creation, where they create such sweet results, right? Honey creates honey, which is a very sweet ingredient, which is very sweet. The results are very sweet. The pattern is so perfect. The honeycomb pattern is so perfect. It is the divine design it into such a perfection. They work so hard towards it. They slowly steadily build that entire honeycomb. They create so much honey, and they live such a sweet life. They create, their results are so sweet, and they work together. They are patient. So you've been called in to be like the honeybee, who will strategically, intelligently create a beautiful life, a life filled with sweetness. And this is dancing. Maybe a child of yours might be interested in dancing, or you maybe, or your partner may be interested in dancing, particularly ballet dancing. July is one more month we got. Okay, picnic, romantic picnics. Yes, you will go on romantic picnics. You will have romantic picnics with this person. Yes, we got aeroplane flying above, flight, travel. You have so many countries. You may travel a lot with your future spouse, with your spouse, with your in your married life. You may travel. This person may have facial hair, may sometimes keep facial hair, sometimes not. It all depends on how they want to do it, or might be either or. Take it as it resonates. They might have facial hair, or they may keep changing their styles a lot, and they are very like they are very well groomed, they are very happy, they keep changing their styles, and they are very laid back also. They are into something which does not require being very formal or living a very strict and structured life. So that's why they live a very laid back and happy life, which is why you are creating, which is why you can travel so much, and you can have such a nice uh, a happy married life, because they will give time to them family as well, not only to your work. Some people cannot give time to their family, they are always so occupied with their work. This person will have a beautiful balance of uh, my work and life. So you're, so this is, and even you will have that, and that is why you can go on such kind of anytime any like you can go for these sweet romantic ice cream dates or coffee dates, or an actual dinner date, or have wine, go visit wineries. You're going to enjoy a lot of time with this person. And this person might be an engineer, or you may be an engineer, or this is about engineering your own life, being the divine director. Or this is about planning, proper structure. Create before this person comes in, plan everything, write everything down. Proper planning, proper structure, how an engineer, how an architect, how these people work. They have proper calculations, proper set goals, and set desired result in their mind. You need to work in that way to create this reality. And what is it? Do what makes you happy. Yes, happy is a very powerful word in this entire pile. Do what makes you happy. You should feel happy when you create this reality, when you create this vision board, when you create this new vision in your mind. Happiness is a most powerful feeling which will help you pull in this person. This is such a beautiful, powerful person. I'm so happy for you. I hope you find this person. I hope you find this reality. I hope you find this beautiful married life. I hope you find everything which these cards show. And all the best to you. You are the divine alchemist. You should expect miracles. Have a sacred vision in your mind. The divine director, the divine is intervening, is helping you. You are being guided, and happiness is your purpose. I hope you enjoy this pile. I hope you enjoy this reading. Do let me know what you think about it. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you for all your support. And I'll see you in my next pile or in my next reading. Welcome, pile 2. Pile 1 got me so excited. I was shaking the whole camera stand and everything. Let's see what you have. Oh my god. We have Archangel Michael, trusting heaven. You are safe. Angels stand close. Surrender your concern and allow a miracle to occur. Miracle was an important message in pile 1. Let's see what else we are getting. Radha, soul flame, beautiful. I love this card, so beautiful. It is saying about rediscover a lost part of yourself, experience relationship harmony and healing. Yes, this marriage is going to be filled with harmony and healing. Archangel Michael is telling you to trust the heavens. Krishna, can this be more perfect? Soul flame, soul flames, twin flames. This is about twin flames. This is about soul flame. This is about divine relationships. This is about divine love. This is about true love. Trust your spiritual guidance. Your commitment has been recognized. You are loved unconditionally. Yes. Yes, there can't be a more perfect love match than this pure twin flame. Paul the Venetian, sorry, experience grace. Yes, trusting heaven, grace. Share your gifts with grace. Waves of inspiration and love are coming to you. Yes, love is coming to you. Now, you may know this person from a long time, maybe from your childhood, or you are meeting this, or you are meeting this person for the first, like now, right now, you don't know them for past, and you connect with them so nicely that you feel that you know them forever. You feel that you have been with them forever, you know them forever. You are you become like a child when you are with them. You just have a beautiful connection with them. This relationship is full of beauty. This relationship is full of purity. This relationship is pure of divine love, innocent kind of love, where um, both the partners are just completely so devoted, so mesmerized with each other, that they cannot see beyond their self. When they are together, other people might find you even annoying, like with all your PDA, with all your with all your internal jokes, with just being with each other. And people may feel that, oh my god, get a room, what are you guys doing, please keep us away from all your lovey-dovey thing. Okay, you don't have to show off your happiness and all, and you're not even showing off, you're just being yourself. And this is the kind of love, this is the kind of relationship, a playful relationship, a relationship filled with love, laughter, music, happiness. That is the kind of marriage you're calling in. And the heaven is bringing in this marriage, this love for you, because you have manifested this, you have attracted this, you have worked on whatever past issues you had attracted this. Do check out pile 1, because pile 1 was all about manifestation and miracles. Maybe you went through that entire journey in pile 1, and that is the result of that manifestation is this pure love, this devotion, this soul flame, this twin flame. And this is as per the grace of God, and you are being called to share your gifts with grace. You both of you, or one of you, is highly creative, either in musician or in arts, in painting, in drawing, in storytelling, in like you mesmerize people when you work on your creativity, when you play a musical instrument, or when you play in a sport, or maybe sing, dance, or write poems, write stories, or you maybe even you help students, or you help teachers, you tell stories to to elders, you tell them stories, you tell them yeah, like you entertain people in some way, and they get mesmerized by you, they just want to keep looking at you. Either you or your spouse has this capacity, or both of you have it, because you are twin flame, because you are just perfectly aligned with each other. This cannot be more perfect, this cannot be more divine. It is so pure, it is so beautiful. This is just the most amazing couple, or amazing pile which has come in front of me. And because of so much love, because of so much harmony, because of so much purity, there will be a lot of jealousy, there will be a lot of people who will try to create trouble in your life. They People will genuinely get jealous, because they cannot believe that someone can be so happy, someone can be so devoted, someone can be so much in love. And that's why you need to trust heaven, you need to call Archangel Michael whenever you find that someone is being jealous, whenever you feel the kind of bad energy, negative energy is coming around you, you're getting surrounded by that. Call in Archangel Michael to cut those people out of your life, to cut that energy out of your life. Do that, do call in Archangel Michael. That is how you can get the divine protection. Archangel Michael is the protector, he's the warrior, he's the leader of the angels. He is telling you that you are safe, angels are standing close, angels are by your side. Definitely you have such divine love, such pure love, that angels are also happy to be associated with you, to work by your side, to help you come together. And this is not a new connection, you are being together for all your lifetimes. This is a, like you are being together forever, like every rebirth, every birth, you meet this person and you have a beautiful relationship, and that relationship just keeps growing, just keeps developing. It is purity, it is beautiful. Even if you don't believe in marriage, even if you believe in a long term commitment, you don't want to have the tag of, or have the paperwork of being married, this commitment, this forever commitment will be like, oh, this is because your souls are connected, your souls are committed. Even if you meet someone else and try to have a relationship with someone else, it is not going to work out with you, it is not going to happen with you. You will always be drawn to this one person, you will always be connected to this one person, because this is literally your twin flame. Your soul is cut half, and you are the half of the soul, and your partner is half, the other half of the soul. Now this might be an interracial relationship. This might be from two different worlds, two different countries, two different races. This might be a complete your origins might be from two different places. Like one might be from India, because we clearly have Radha and Krishna over here, and one might be from Europe, one might be from America, Russia. There might be a complete, like, because we have dark and light over here, it is a complete mm, yin and yang harmony. It is so beautiful, it is so divine. I am so happy for this beautiful union. It is just perfect, it is beautiful. This marriage is blessed, this union is blessed, this union is coming from the divine. You are experiencing grace over here, and you are being called to share your gifts with the universe, with the world. Don't keep it with yourself. If you are into creativity, if you think that you can have a creative life, live a creative life, start a YouTube channel, a blog, or maybe help students, help anyone live a creative life, teach, create something, then you are being called to do that. It can be fashion designing, it can be even being a makeup artist, being into jewelry, being into being those of having those flower arrangements, or being a florist, and being or anything. Your root chakra is needs some attention, because we have red over here. Your throat chakra and your heart chakra, these three chakras definitely need some attention, need some cleansing, need some help. And be very aware of any negative energy, any jealous people. Don't keep any jealous people around. If and someone is talking bad about you to your partner, or bad about your partner to you, please be aware that who this person is, and try to cut them out of your life. Ask for Archangel Michael's help to keep you protected from any negative energy, and he will help you. He will surround you with so much protection, and so much like he will completely make you feel safe. And that is what I can see in this is a complete beautiful a complete beautiful pile. Now let's see what else we can see from here. uh, yes, this will grow slowly. This is, maybe you are waiting for this connection to happen. This is a long term vision you're having. It is not happening right away, it is a long term vision. And strength, yes, you need to be strong. You will face a lot of like negative people, jealous people. You need to be strong. If someone is telling you something which may not be true, you need to be strong. And see, there are infinite possibilities for you to be with this person. Strength, this person, or you may be a Leo, because strength is about Leo. We have Emperor, so we have Aries as well. So you or this person, you both are Emperor, or one of you is as strong as an emperor, an authoritative position. You are, or you may become an authoritative position, a father figure. So you may have a family with this person. And we have world, and we have 10 of pentacles. We had 10 of cups in the first pile. I am sensing that the first pile is somehow connected to you. Do check it out, because 10 of pentacles and 10 of cups, it's such a beautiful energy. It is all, this is all about family. This is all about having love, having devotion, which exactly we can see in these cards. And let's see what else. And world, as I already said, this might be a multiracial energy. You two might come meet in a different country, might come together in a different country. You may be living in the same country, but your origins are from different. Your parents, your grandparents, your ancestors are from a different country. You may look different, you may not look same at all, but you feel same. Your heart is same. Your everything you feel about each other is something which you never experienced with someone else, because this is a twin flame. This is divine love, this is pure love. Okay, what else we are seeing? um, oh god, I just saw this is three major arcanas out of five. So this is extremely strong pile. And we already have this Radha Krishna, which is amazing combination for love. And we have Archangel Michael. So this is a very strong pile. It is all about, and we literally have strength over here. So what else do we need? This is you or this person might be authoritative, established, a father figure. You will have a strong structure together, a strong family life together. Okay, you will have this wealth. Look at this. This is all about wealth. So you will have wealth, you will have the happiness, you will have financial security, stability, because the emperor is there. So you will have a stable life. And this is a long term commitment, this is a long term success. This is might be a marriage, or this might be a long term relationship. And you are, and you will also help others, you will also contribute your wealth, you will also share your gifts, share your grace with others, share your blessing with others. You are going to support people who are definitely looking up to you. You might have work with elders, you might work with pets, you might work with animals, you might work with children. You may have all children and pets running around in your house. You will have a very well settled, very happy house. We have the strength over here, so it is going to be a strong relationship. Do not encourage anybody who is bringing in any negativity in your life. Be like a very strict, have clear boundaries, because what you have is worth protecting, what you have is worth keeping safe from evil eye, keeping safe from bad thinkers, bad wishers. You need to protect this, because this is your world, this is a completion, this is your reality, this is going to be your accomplishment. This also world also talks about travel. So as I said, you may meet this person while traveling, or this person might travel to you, or you may relocate or settle in a new place and you find this person, because this looks purely like an interracial, a new another country person, someone who looks completely different from you, but your souls are so connected. You may even have similar experience as a kid, and which will be very amusing for you, that how did you face the same as I faced, in two different places, two different locations, in two different upbringings. How did we experience the same? Because you are experiencing a life, a journey which is similar to each other, which is literally a twin flame journey over here. It is so beautiful. Okay, what else? As I said, Aries, Leo, and as we have Aries, Leo, then even definitely Sagittarius, and we have this pentacle energy. So earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and we have this world, so that fixed signs, Taurus, Scorpio, Aquarius, and what was the fixed sign? Just a minute. Give me a minute. Let me check it out. Oh, where did I keep it? Huh? I've written it down. Yeah, Leo, Taurus, Scorpio, Aquarius. Sorry for that. Leo, Taurus, Scorpio, Aquarius. So these are the signs which I can see clearly, and this is a long-term view. This is not which is happening immediately in a few months and all. This is long-term. This is going to come, but it will take some time in coming, but it is coming for sure. And this is a, and you need to invest into your, if you don't know this person yet, if you don't know if you are going to travel to another country, if it is not clear to you yet, then check out pile 1. It is all about manifesting and how to manifest what the kind of life you want. You can definitely use those strategies, use those techniques to bring in this energy, to manifest this energy. You may feel the presence of this person in your life already, you may dream about this person, you may feel connected to this person, you may get some intuitions, you may notice a lot of signs and synchronicities. And this is someone who has lived a lot of lifetimes with you. This is not a new connection. You may not know this person in your present life, in your right now, but you have lived many lifetimes with this person, and this person is coming in your life. This person, or you are literally flying towards this person. Now let's see if we can get some more information about this person from, if we can see their initial, their name, the country name. Blank tiles or blank letters are for Those who have not worked yet, done the work, release their past. A O U D. See if you can make something out of this. T A V, sorry, V E V, vet. This person might be a vet. Oh, because you definitely, this person or you definitely loves animals, love to works with animal. This the way this angel, this divine, this person is handling the lion, the way they are to checking in their mouth. This might be a vet. I felt the energy of a vet. D I T D again. D is very strong. D might be important. V also we got V, we got twice, T we got twice, S. So see if you can make any alphabets, any names, anything out of this, any messages which will come out of this. Oh, one was there, A. Okay, now let's see any other we can get. Okay, we got Krishna. Krishna is there. Yes, we have Krishna already. Krishna is there. You might be into music as well. Krishna is blessing, divine is blessing this connection. Yes, abundance, lots of abundance. The big gold leaf, another gold leaf, another gold leaf, lots of abundance. Autumn, you might meet this person or in autumn, or you or your partner has birthday in autumn. Silver spoon feeding your soul. This person or you may have a lot of like wealth from you come from wealthy background, wealthy family, and yes, you are going to grow slowly. This is a silver coin, so grow slowly, step by step, grow together. This is a sword, cut away all, every kind of problems, every kind of what is it all kind of negative people, all jealous people out of your life. A peacock is here. We already have a peacock feather. A peacock is here. So beauty, grace, design, devotion, dancing on with the universe, going with the flow, that kind of energy. We have a lotus. We also have a lotus on this card. Lotus is about purity, about staying above the mud. It's about staying away from darkness, so rising above the darkness. So if there is any darkness in your life right now, negative people, negative situations, anything, you need to cut them out. You need to rise above it so that you can pull in this new person, a bond. So this is going to be a passionate union, definitely. We have elephant. Elephant is about memory. Elephant is about long term. Elephant is about thinking big. Elephant is also about learning from your past. So you need to learn from your past, let it go, rise above it. This is a beautiful heart. This person or you have a beautiful heart, a sweet heart, a beautiful heart, a designing heart, a designer heart. Now this is what, money bag. Yes, it's a money bag. And it has a euro symbol on it, so you or this person might be from Europe. I already said that you are from different countries. So one might be European and one might be Asian, because we have India and we have this Euro for Europe over here. So you might be from different countries, and this money bag shows lot of wealth. So this person is well established, or you are well established, because Emperor is also there, 10 of Pentacles is also there. So definitely that information we are getting. Let's see if what more we are getting from some stickers, like if we can get some date, if we can get countries, if we can get some signs, if we can get some messages. I am shuffling it because in pile 1 I got so many countries. So, and you have world, so do check out pile 1. I strongly advise you to check out pile 1, because if you want to know about law of attraction, if you want to know how to manifest this energy, pile 1 had a lot of messages about that. So do check out pile 1. Yes, pile 1 had this as well, fox. thinking smart, being witty, being intelligent, thinking on your feet. So right now you are getting this suggestion to think on your feet, be witty, be smart, rising above. We saw in Lotus, rising above. This is about going above, moving above, going ahead, moving ahead. This is also can be air travel. So as you are from two different countries, definitely you're going to air travel to this person, or you may go on romantic rides. Like a balloon ride is pretty romantic, and this has such a nice pink feeling, nice romantic feeling. So you will go on romantic trips with this person, or a romantic balloon ride, literally a romantic balloon ride. This is about earning money online. So you or this person may earn money online, or you may meet online, because you have this international connection, so there are high chances that you will meet online. Okay, snake is about shedding your old skin, so your old patterns, your old relationships, your old worry, your old problems, you need to shed it, you need to let it go, rise above, be like the lotus, rise above, and move, keep the mud, keep the dirt below you, don't let it come near you. And do not worry, a sweet tooth, this person, or you have a sweet tooth, and they are telling you do not worry, this person is coming in your life. And even Archangel Michael is telling you don't worry, you are safe. So don't worry about all those negative people who are creating trouble. Swimming, this person or you might be interested in swimming. You have, or this person or you has a very athletic, firm, strong body, because we have Archangel Michael, we have Krishna, we have this Paul the Vegetation. They all look very like they have long faces. They look firm. They look uh, slim. They look tall. They look athletic. They are very fit. Krishna was known for his attractive appearance, and Archangel Michael is also very attractive, and this Paul the Vegetation also is very well groomed, very like his look at his clothes, so well groomed, so well put together. So this person has a very athletic body. Maybe they actually swim to stay in shape, or as I or they may live near a place where near a beach or near some location where water is a big part, where swimming, water activity is a big part of their culture, their environment. Okay. What is this? Root chakra. Yes, I already said root chakra, because there is so much red over here. Root chakra. You need to feel heal your root chakra if it is not healed right now. If you don't feel safe, if you don't feel secure, because you are safe. Message you got with Archangel Michael, and root chakra's affirmation is I am safe and I am secure. You are safe, you are secure, this is coming in your life, you are attracting this in your life. If you already have this and you feel that someone will create troubles, don't worry, you are safe, you are secure. Turkey might be a country which you or your future spouse may be from Turkey, or you may visit Turkey together. February or number 2, you might be seeing a lot of 222, because 222 is about twin flames, 222 is about partnership, so you may see that. And even 1111, because 1111 is about twin flames. Now this is see, this person may give you flowers. You also have flowers, so many flowers in this in these cards. So this person may gift you flowers, will be a very romantic person, will have nice sweet romantic gestures. And let's see what else. Poland is another country. Okay, you or your person. Music, definitely music, because Krishna is known for music. So definitely music will be a big part of your life. You or your person may have musical gifts, that's why you are getting this information. Share your gift. Coffee, you or your person may be interested in coffee, or you may meet on a coffee date, or brew can do it. So you are said that you don't worry, you can do it. You can attract this person. You can, if you're getting an opportunity to travel, if you're getting an opportunity to relocate, to settle in another country, I will definitely make another video maybe tomorrow about if you are relocating, any messages, any advice about that. So definitely take up that. Do not worry, you can do it. Aquarius, this or you might be Aquarius. Okay, and we already saw it in the World Card Aquarius. And fishing, as I said, water related activities. This person or you may be living near a lake, a beach, something related to water. This person may enjoy fishing, or you may enjoy fishing. And or you may go on sweet romantic trips where even fishing and boating and all is there. Okay, Netherlands. Netherlands is another country which has come up. Cooking, yes, you or your person enjoys cooking, enjoys having this sweet romantic dates where you cook for each other or you cook together. It's a very nice thing to cook and have a nice romantic date inside, especially nowadays when it is so difficult to go outside and trust the environment which has changed drastically. Gemini, you or this person may be Gemini. In last pile Gemini was strong. I will suggest you to check out pile 1. Dark skin, dark hair. One of you has dark skin, dark hair. As I already said, that I can see dark and light. So one of you has dark skin and the other one has light skin. One of you has dark hair, the other one has light hair. So that is how it is. Dream big. You may be meeting this person already in your dreams or in your meditative state or meditation. You may be getting hints about this person. Okay, Malaysia. Malaysia also was there in the last pile. Better days ahead. Yes, better days are ahead. What else is there? Denmark, Japan. Japan also was there in the last pile. So you are getting so many countries. Check out the pile 1 as well. Aries. Yes, we already saw Aries in Emperor card. Aries was there in Emperor card. So yes, in Emperor card Aries was there. Music. Music is definitely a big thing. We already have two symbols, two thing for music, two stickers for music, and we have Krishna, which is all about music. Money. There is going to be a lot of wealth. We already have this money back, the euro money back and the dollar money back. There is going to be a lot of money in this connection. In this, you both are going to bring in a lot of money. And when you get together, even if you are having a good amount of money right now, even if you are coming from wealthy families, because silver spoon is there, even if you have a lot of money right now, when you come together, it is going to be effortless and it is going to grow, it is going to expand. And that's why you need to stay very safe and very far away from all the evil eye. Switzerland, yes. Strong Europe is coming up. Singing, yes. Music, strong music, strong money. Maybe one of you is a famous musician, and if you are, please do let me know. I would really like to know about it. United States is important. Might be one of the country where you or your future spouse is from, or you will travel to. Yes, loyalty. Dog is all about loyalty, unconditional love, protection. We have protection over here, we have unconditional love, we have loyalty, we have good fortune. Dog is also about good fortune. We have commitment, devotion. That is all we are getting from this dog. Okay, this is nothing, blank. So let's see. These are all the, sorry, I'm just getting so excited with such beautiful messages coming in. This is all which I can see. You need to release all that old. You need to let all the old go. You need to trust in heaven. You need to call in for divine protection. Do call in Archangel Michael. Do chant Hare Rama Hare Krishna, because you literally got a Radha Krishna when you meditate. So this all divine help will help you. Call in the soulmate. Hare Rama Hare Krishna, the meditation, the mantra, may you can also listen it on YouTube. There are so many beautiful Hare Rama Hare Krishna mantras on Radha Krishna mantras or on YouTube. You can listen to them, and this will help you manifest. This will help you create this reality. This will help you pull in your divine partner, your soulmate in your life. So all the best to you. I hope you are liking all this. You are enjoying my videos, and do give me your feedback. Do let me know what you think about these readings. and I will see you in my next one. Have a wonderful day. Welcome, pile 3. Let's see what messages are coming in for your married life, what your marriage lovers. Oh my god. Okay, Lord Ganesha, infinite abundance. Obstacles are being removed. Spiritual support and connections are increasing. Okay, any obstacles that are coming in your married life with like from you, which is coming and stopping you from connecting with your person, those are getting removed. And you have infinite abundance. Once you come together, you will have a very beautiful, abundant life. Care and compassion, Queen Yin. Yes, choose to be love. Do what is right for everyone involved. Offer a helping hand. Yes, beautiful. Mother Mary, love and peace. Let go of the need to be right. Choose peace. Mother, healing is possible at this time. Okay, so you might be in some conflict with your family because you want to get married to someone and there are creating obstacles, and you need to stop trying to prove anything. Give it time. Obstacles are getting being cleared. Infinite abundance is there. Lord Ganesha is there. Mother Mary is there. Sorry, you are getting help from divine. Mercury, open communication. Yes, let go of need to be right. Choose peace. Be mindful. Be very intelligent while you're communicating with your family or whoever you are trying to convince, who is against this, who is creating obstacle in your marriage. You need to be very open with that person. You need to communicate very clearly to that person. Get a weight off your chest. Speak up with love and be heard. But when you speak, see, we have two cards which says choose love, do what is right for everyone involved, offer a helping hand. You need to speak up with love. You need to speak in a way that everyone understands why you want to get married to this person, why you want to be married to this person. And be talk with love. Don't argue about it, don't fight about it. Be open about accepting their point of view as well. Try to convince them that what exactly is happening, why you are getting involved with this person, why you want to marry this person. This whatever obstacle is coming up will be removed, but you have to be loving about it. If you are fighting, if you are arguing, it is just going to extend the objection. But if you sit, if you listen, if you talk clearly, if the communication is open, if you talk in a loving way, if you try to help them understand what you want, why you want, if you try to project your and in tell them about your whole plan, about your whole future, and give them proper reasoning, then definitely that obstacle will be removed. You have spiritual support. Your connections are increasing. You are getting connected spiritually. You are getting connected with the divine. And currently Mercury retrograde is happening, so maybe right now you may face a bit of trouble communicating. Stay calm. Okay, you don't have to be right in this situation. You just have to convey your message in such a way that the other person accepts, understands and accepts that what you are talking is for good of everyone. So be peaceful, and if you are having any issues about with your mother, you need to resolve it first before you move into your marriage life, before you start a married life. And mother healing is possible at this time. Yes, your Mother Mary is going to help you heal whatever the connection is, whatever the trouble is, whatever the problem is. Mother Mary is going to definitely heal you for that. If you can visit a temple or a church, do that. Take take the blessings from the divine in your situation. Okay, work. This will need a lot of work, a lot of hard work. It is not going to happen easily, but nothing worth is happens easily. Hierophant, yes, there are some traditional values. You may be going against your tradition. You may be going against those people who are fixed, who are rigid, who don't want to change anything, who don't want this new change, this new and this new thing which is coming, this new concept which you are bringing in, they might be strict, they might want to stick to your religion. Maybe this is two different religions coming together, and people are against it, people don't want it happening, people don't want it, because there is Hindu, there is Christian, so and or maybe two different countries are coming together, and people don't want that happening, people are not flexible about it, and they want to stick to their original beliefs, their original whatever they know about. They're scared about anything new, and maybe they are traditional, but this is also a card of marriage. So the marriage is going to happen. If you are scared, if you are worried that you will not get married, don't worry, it is going to happen. Excuse me. You will have to first come in, you will have to first do a lot of hard work. You may have to be very patient. You may have to practice the way you speak to them in a loving, in a caring way, and you will have to become a master in communication to convey this message, and skillfully. This is all about developing your skills. You'll have to be very skillful about this, very skillful, very intelligently, very like in a like a fox, very skillful, very like what a very wit, you have to be very witty about this situation. And if don't let anger overcome you, don't let frustration overcome you, your marriage is going to happen, it is going to happen. Let's see what else. Ace of Pentacles, yes, this is about new financial beginning, this is manifestation. Check out pile number one was all about manifestation. This is coming from the divine. This is a new financial beginning, a new financial growth. You are getting this new opportunity, this new beginning. If you are getting a chance to work in a new job, in a new place, a new beginning, start a new business, these cards are telling you that it is going to be very fruitful for you. It is happening, it is coming in. You have to work very hard to create this reality. Maybe finance is an obstacle in your marriage right now. You need to become more financially stable before you're getting married, and it is going to work out, it is going to happen. You are getting this new financial opportunity, a new chance to study, a new chance to work in a new office, a chance to start a new business, a new financial beginning is happening, abundance is coming. The divine is blessing you with this coin, with this new opportunity, with this financial beginning which is coming in, and it will help you become the structured, the strong person you want to be before you get married. Okay, maybe it's a chance of studying further, it is a chance of being more like starting a new job or a new opportunity, or maybe when you get married you will start a business together, that also, or you already have a business together with the person you want to get married to. And because there is a lot of work and work aspect also involved in your marriage, so work is somehow related to your marriage. Maybe you work together, maybe you want to work together, maybe you study together, maybe you are starting a business together. Something related to work is also there, will also be a big part of your marriage life. Now let's see what else we have. We have Six of Wands, which is success. Yes, you will be successful. If you are worried that you won't be able to convey, you won't be able to achieve, the obstacles will win, and no, you will win, you will have the success. But you need to plan your future, you need to consider about the progress, you need to recognize your true potential, you need to be very decisive. I will highly suggest you to check pile 1, because there is a proper way to manifest, how to manifest the desired life you are looking for. Whatever you are looking for, if there are obstacles, how to remove that. Pile 1 has a lot of information about it. So check it out to remove all the obstacles, and they are getting removed by the divine itself. Lord Ganesha is blessing you. So don't worry about it. You will remove this obstacles and become successful. And this is about progress. This is about planning your future. This is about getting recognized. This is about, even about, for me this card also represents marriage, uh, because this looks like a victor going to get his bride. So you will get married, definitely you will get married. If that is a concern for you, it is going to happen, it is happening. Okay, lovers, beautiful. You have the blessings from the divine. Love, harmony, relationship values, value alignment, blessings from the divine is coming for you. The divine is bringing in this connection. The divine is protecting this connection. You are getting now. You might also be a Gemini or a Taurus, or your person might be. And we have Mercury also, which is this, which is the lord of Gemini and Virgo. So Virgo, and we already have so many pentacles. So Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn, and Gemini are the signs which are very strong in this pile. And it might be an interracial couple. If it is an interracial couple, if it is from two different religions or two different cultures or two different countries or two different race, do check out pile 2. Pile 2 is about that interracial connection. Pile 1 is about manifestation, how to manifest the life you are looking for, how to manifest the marriage you are looking for. And pile 2 is about interracial connection. So do check that out. It was about pure love, and that also had some difficult peoples in it, some people who are jealous about that connection. You may also have those kind of obstacles in your life, and those will be removed. Those will be removed from your life. Those will be taken away, and spiritual support is increasing. You need to be more spiritually connected with connections and communication. You need to have your communication clear. You need to be more connected with the universe, with with your spirit guides, with the divine, with the god you believe in, with the divine you believe with the angels you believe in. Whatever you believe in, you need to connect with them in a way that this obstacle will be removed, and you will know how to communicate clearly, with care, with compassion, with love, and peacefully. So for that, you need to meditate. You need to sit down and write exactly what you want, script, journal, follow any meditation, like guided meditation videos. There are tons of them available on YouTube. And Lord Ganesha's mantra is Om Gam Ganpate Nama. You can chant that. You can find recordings of that as well on YouTube. Om Gam Ganpate Nama, which helps you release obstacles, which helps you bring in the abundance. And you are going to experience that sweetness of relationship, of marriage. It is coming, it is coming. You are going to experience that. See, so many lotuses and flowers rising above the mud, being pure. Have your thoughts very pure. If somebody is creating obstacles, if somebody is creating trouble in your life, rise above the hatred for that person. Be very compassionate about that person. Being pure, be in a with a very loving and peaceful way, handle that situation. Be very witty, very intelligent about that, and it is going to happen. And this marriage, when it comes together, when it happens, is going to be a very successful, a very long term marriage. This is a very faithful connection. This is a very family oriented connection, and this is a beautiful connection which is happening, which is coming in for you. Now let's see if we can get any more information about this. Any alphabets, any names, any locations, anything, because this also looks like interracial, intercaste, inter religion, inter country, inter nationality. So it looks like people from two different backgrounds. So check out pile 2 as well. Pile 1 if you are interested to manifest this person. Pile 2 if you know that it is an racial or two different people coming together kind of relationship. And if you want, you can check all the piles as well, because there is messages and everything. Okay, Annie can be an name. N is coming twice. T A Tanya, Tina, D doctor. Doctor can be, maybe one of you is a doctor, one of you wants to be a doctor, is studying to be a doctor, both of you are studying to be a doctor. I Ian can be a name. P pain, maybe you are currently in pain because this is not happening or there is some obstacles. Be loving, be compassionate, it will be removed. E is again repeated. O, see if you can make any words out of this, see if you can make any messages, any place name, any location, anything out of it. Let's see what charms are coming for you. Okay. This is a dragonfly. Dragonfly is about creating a reality, creating your new, rising above, creating new reality, manifestation. Check out pile one. Pile one is all about manifestation. Okay, elegance. This is elephant tusk. Elegance. It is about royalty. It is about. This is about focusing on what you want. Silver spoon, this came in all three piles. Feeding your soul, feeding uh, your loving one's soul as well. And you have the divine protection, the divine's hand in your in this connection. There is this sun, this moon and star. So this looks like the moon and star symbol in Islam as well. So one of you might be from Islam religion, and one may be from Hindu, one may be from Christian. It may be different religions. Lotus, we already had lotus. Lotus was there in pile 2 as well. We already saw lotus rising above the bad info. Writing is rising about the bad energy, the negative energy, those people who are creating hurt, those people who are creating mud, don't want you to come together. Rise above the hatred for them and think how you can lovingly, compassionately, peacefully communicate with them. Okay, this is like the eight of pentacles. Hard work, devoting yourself, devoting to some work, devoting yourself to, where did it go? Devoting yourself to create reality. Why is it falling? Hard work. Okay, being passionate about something. Coin. What is happening? Okay, slowly and steadily. This is a silver coin and gold coin and another gold coin. And oh my god, this I saw for the first time, a golden lotus. Yes, you are similar but belong to two different origins. You are same. One is silver, one is gold. You might have different skin tones. You might be from different religion. You might be from different cultures. You might be from different countries. Yes, same. And you both are facing obstacles right now, and you both need to rise above. Horseshoe, luck is on your side. You have luck on your side. Luck is there. Lord Ganesha is there. Luck is there on your side. Okay, and yes, slowly, steadily, you're going to earn your coin, you're going to make your money. Confusion, obstacles are being removed, and there is this rose is about purity, about beauty, about it is about beauty actually. So, beauty is going to come in your life. You are going to create a beautiful life together, and be very mindful the way you communicate, be very strategic the way you communicate. Don't argue, don't fight, and understand that what you want, why you want, and try to help others understand as well in a caring and compassionate way, with all the love in your heart, very peacefully. And the divine is removing this obstacle. Don't worry about it. Okay, let's see what else is happening. Any stickers we can get, because we are seeing two different countries, so it might be from two different countries. And we are also seeing um, some, let's see if we can get the signs as well. Okay, other piles got more stickers. If we need, we can find that as take more. Okay, uh, Whale is about trusting the great mystery. It is about big, something great, something big is happening behind the scenes, under the water. You don't know what is happening. Whales are, there are so many huge creatures under the water. We don't know about them, right? We live on land. Even if we visit beaches, even if we travel on water, we don't actually see. It's a very rare occasion to see a huge creature like a whale, to see a huge animal, to see some a huge marine life like a whale. It is a very rare thing. Huge mysteries, great mysteries are happening around us, which we don't see, we are not seeing. So great, something big is happening. You can't see it right now, but it is coming, it is happening, it is there. Root, you need to root is very important for you. Root chakra was there in pile 2 as well. You need to feel safe and secure. Right now you may not be feeling safe and secure. Do a root chakra meditation, do a root chakra healing meditation. If you know somebody who can help you with Reiki, go to them and get your root chakra healed, aligned, balanced, because that is very important for you. Even throat chakra, because communication, and we have so much blue over here. Even throat chakra is important for you. France, you or your person may be from France, or you will visit France with this person. Yes, drive. This person is traveling to you, you're traveling to this person, or you will travel together, or you will go on romantic rides together, or you already go on romantic rides together. Malaysia, see, we have this symbol of moon and star. We have this symbol of moon and star. Malaysia might be a country where you will visit together, or one of you is from Malaysia. March will be important, so the next month will be important for you. You or your person may have a birthday in March, or may come together in March, or may have some important, or something happening in March. Do what makes you happy. Yes, this was in pile 1. Do what makes you happy. If you are interested in learning about law of attraction, about how to attract a new soulmate, then pile 1 is something you can look up to. Your possum, you or your person might be in may have pet, might be interested in pets, or you may have a pet with them. And it's going to be a very loving relationship, because your possum is such a sweet way to say that you're awesome. It's a very going to be a fun loving relationship. You are one in a million, one in a million. Funny way to say one in a million. You are one in a million. You and this person, you or this person is going to feel like one in a million. You may feel that your person is one in a million, and your person may feel the same. Law, there is something related to law. Either you or your person is into law, they have a job in law, or something related to law, or you may have to go through a lot of legal procedures, documentations, when you travel, when you relocate, when you get your visas, or when you marry some person from another country, you may go through some legal procedures. So law, or one of you is going to get divorced before this relationship comes together. My love, yes, this is a this is a long distance relationship. You will message each other, you will mail each other, you will send letters, send gifts. You will have a distance online communication, or actual, literally old school letters you will send each other, which are very romantic. So you will do that, because this is a long distance relationship. So this will happen. You will keep communicating with each other in such a way, and you may even call each other my love, which is so sweet, so romantic. Sagittarius, one of you might be a Sagittarius. Rise above, soar above. Eagle is about moving above, rising above, soaring above. It is about removing obstacles, rising above your obstacles. What we see over here, obstacles, what we saw related to the lotus also. Rising above your obstacles, about whatever negative people are, whatever negativity is coming, rising above that, clearing the obstacles. Like the eagle flies above the rain, so you're supposed to rise above it, clear the obstacles, be courageous, soar high, and you will achieve this. And we have this as well, the spirit of wolf spirit, which is very strong. You can always call upon wolf spirit to help you, come help you achieve anything you want. Always say divine wolf or spirit wolf or wolf guide or wolf, please come and help me, please help me with this. It always works. I've done it tons of time. I always do it. I always call wolf spirit to come and help me in many things. Wolf is about the spiritual energy, the spiritual harmony, about getting spiritual help. It's about turning your knowledge into wisdom. It is a very powerful spirit guide, powerful animal spirit, who helps every in all kind of situations, all kind of situations. Whenever you're feeling panicked, whenever you're feeling any kind of problem, wolf will always help. I will pull some more stickers because other piles got a lot of stickers. Let's see. Yes, Libra. One or both of you might be Libra. January or number one. You may be watching, seeing a lot of 111, 1111. January or number one is important. You or this person might have brown hair. I can also see facial hair. So that might be a way you can recognize this person. And B, yes, so sweet. B is all about hard work. It is about sweet results. Yes, you already have the hard work card, right? Hard work and sweet results. Sweet results are there for you. It is about being creative. It is about be the divine pattern. The divine is helping you set this pattern. Like how beautiful the honeycomb is. It is about teamwork, work together to achieve this result. Magical results, sweet results are coming for you. Beautiful. Do not worry. Do not worry. Do not worry. Do not worry. Sweet tooth card. One of you might have a sweet tooth. The universe is telling you to don't worry. You have wolf. You have, this was there in the second pile. You have complete devotion. You have loyalty. You have unconditional love. You have good fortune. You have commitment. You have protection as well. This is also about protection. You have protection as well. You're being guarded with your by your guardian angels, and you may have a pet also with this person, because dog is the most loving pet you can have. So you can have a pet also with this person. And August or 8 number might be important. You might be seeing a lot of 888. The infinity symbol 8, infinite opportunities are coming, better days ahead. Yes. And bank, you or this person might be a banker. You might start a joint account with this person, definitely when you get married, or you may take a loan to start a business with this person, as we already had a lot of new business, new work coming in your pile. So maybe you will take a bank loan to start this business together, or you or your person works in a bank or financial institute, or you will have a nice bank balance with this person. So these are all the messages which are coming in. Do check out pile 1 if you want to know how to manifest this, manifest the wedding, the marriage you want. And if you're sure that this is a interracial, different country, distance relationship, then check out pile 2 as well, because pile 2 was very much about that. and there is a lot of synchronicity going on in both the piles. And do have, I hope everything works out for you. I hope the obstacles are getting removed from your life. Do listen to the mantra, Ganesh mantra, Om Gam Ganpate Namah. It is a very powerful mantra. It will remove all obstacles in your work life, in your love life, in everything in your life. Do listen to that. There are so many videos about it. Do meditate on that, and everything will come together. All my best wishes are with you. Everything will work out for you. All the best. Be loving, be compassionate. Show some love to this channel as well. Please give a like, share, subscribe, and please let me know what you're thinking about these um, readings, and if you have any suggestions about what exactly I should post further, please let me know. Have a wonderful time ahead. I'll see you in my next one.